If you would like to see how to get a soft but yet defined twist out with only one product, keep watching. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I'm just gonna section it off into 4 sections. I started to use a comb, but then I was like, it doesn't even matter. I like to use my fingers to part my twist outs. That way the parts aren't too perfect and I don't have to work as hard to cover the parts once I take my twist out. I always like to start in the back of my hair. It's just habit, but I'm taking about 1.5 to 2 inch thick of a piece. These twists will probably be considered medium to large, and I'm gonna apply this As I Am leave-in conditioner rich moisturizer. I'll put the exact information below, but I'm gonna apply it generously from root to tip, really focusing on those ends, and I'll take my Demon brush and detangle it. Now it's time to begin twisting. I split the hair into 2 even parts, and I twist once and then kind of pull both strands of the hair to tighten at the root, and then proceed to twist down. I do a slight twisting motion as I'm twisting down to ensure that I get that beautiful defined look that I'm looking for. If my hair gets tangled or I feel like it's not as smooth, I take the Demon brush and detangle it, or whatever tool I'm using to detangle, my fingers, whatever, and then add just a little bit of product to ensure that I can get a good coil and that my ends are moisturized. And that's pretty much how this goes. Here is a closer look of how I do the twist. I'm taking some water to remist my hair because it has dried out a little bit. And I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner again. Make sure that my hair is thoroughly saturated. Again, not skipping out on those ends. And then I'm going in with the Demon brush. And I kept this clip in here because I want you guys to see I do not really care for the Demon brush. If you have any kind of detangler that you love, I would probably go with that. But the Demon brush, it was like pulling teeth a little bit to get through my hair because it's not really for detangling, but it's the only brush I had at the time. Anywho, I take the hair, split it into 2, and I want you to pay attention to how I twist the hair and then kind of tighten it by pulling it. I continue to twist the hair while slightly twisting the strands, and I do this all the way till I get to the end, detangle the end if need be, add some more product if need be, and coil the end. Once my whole head is complete, I go to bed. I sleep on a satin pillowcase so I don't use anything to tie it up. It's the next day and I'm headed to the gym. I'm taking this wide headband and using it as a sweatband and to lay my edges down as I work out. I just make sure that the twists are adjusted and they look okay, and I head out the door. This is after my workout. My edges have dried, so I'm removing the headband, and I'm going to go in with my own mixture of oils. It's amla oil, Jamaican black castor oil, tea tree oil, and peppermint oil. So I'm placing that on my scalp. Now I'm going in with the oil mixture and putting it on my fingertips, rubbing it together and using that to help lubricate my fingers so it won't cause too much frizz while we're taking out the twist. So I like to twist my hair in the opposite direction to kind of loosen the twist and then unravel them. I separated most of my hair off camera, but here you can see me finding a piece that I didn't, and I'm just going to go in and gently split it into 2 or 3 sections. That's it. If I wanted a bigger hairstyle, I could split it into more, but because I want this to last at least a couple of days, I'm not gonna split it as much. So this is where we add a little bit of volume. I'm taking my pick and going in ever so gently and picking at the roots. If I wanted a super big hairstyle, I would go in and actually pick the ends a little bit as well. But as I stated earlier, I just want to make this a little bit bigger, but I want to get as many days out of this twist out as I can. So now let's adjust these edges. So I'm gonna take a satin scrunchie and put my hair in a loose high ponytail, and after that I'm gonna take some of the Dew foaming mousse and lay down my edges. I've seen the TikTok girlies do this instead of using gel, and it's supposed to help like preventing getting caked up and looking hard, and just give it a more natural look. I allowed my edges to set as I was doing my makeup, so now I'm just taking my hair down and gonna fluff it out. I actually do like the Dew trick for laying down edges because I don't do extravagant baby hair most of the time, and this just helps lay them down and keep them in place without having the caked up look that edge control or gel can have. Here are my final thoughts on the As I Am leave-in conditioner. First of all, I love it as a leave-in conditioner. It really leaves my hair soft. This Twistout was good, but it did not last long in the humidity. So for the winter time, it's great, but I would definitely pair it with a gel or a foam in the summer months to help protect against humidity. So that is all, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to get all my future content. Also, you can follow me on all the social media platforms at Royally Slade. And until next time, bye.